So what are we doing today? Let's talk about this.
So, another one of my late night adventures. I come up with and see a Phorrito. What is a Phorrito? Phorrito is basically pho, if you've ever had that, a Vietnamese soup. But they
Delicious.
And we had that a couple of weeks ago. We made that.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Yes, we've made that. I'll link to that.
So, but it was one of those where they turned it into a burrito, and I thought, that's super simple. I can do this. So that's what you're getting today is a Phorrito.
A Phorrito. It's P-H-O. People who want to say pho, they want to say, who knows what, it's a pho.
Phorrito.
And what all do we have in this thing?
Basically, you've got to, I'm going to roast my spices. And I'm putting
all that in there.
Yeah, I'm going to put all this in here. But I'm basically going to roast spices, toast those, and then I'm going to put them in a pan. We're going to put some flank steak in the pan. We're going to pour some chicken broth and fish sauce and cover it up, and we're going to let it cook for about 2.5 hours, and then we're going to take it out, and then we're going to assemble somewhat of this Phorrito before we make other things to go on top of it. So there you go.
All right, one of the things I wanted, we've done this for 6 years, and I don't know that we've ever really talked about, but the original idea was that all of these ingredients are available locally. Mm-hmm. They're not that hard to find. Mm-hmm. They're not that, what's the word, unusual?
Some are.
Weird?
Some
crazy?
Are. Yeah, some are.
Some are, but they're not. I think some people see a long list and they get scared. And that was sort of our idea was, mine anyway, was the market was coming into its own. And so there were all these fresh things available. But then you were also finding all these ethnic markets.
I like to get out and explore. I like on a Saturday, any given Saturday, I am going to probably 3, 4, 5 different stores to do my grocery shopping. And that's no lie. I love to grocery shop. I like to go out. I like to talk to the people. I like to talk to the different groups of people that work in these stores, wherever they come from. I ask questions, I get information, and that's how I come up with some of the stuff that I do. I also surf the internet just like everybody else does, and I have fun with it. So
she spends a lot of time with books and on the internet and all that.
Yeah, you should see the collection of cookbooks that we have, and I don't want to get rid of any of them.
No, but I think that's what maybe scares people is they think they have to have all that, and you don't. That's what we're trying to do. We're not trying to do lunch in 20 minutes. Lots of other people do that. They do it well.
Yes.
So our whole thing is these are things you can find in town. Some of them are things we find online and order, but not too much.
Not too much.
So the whole idea is it's out there. It's not that hard to find. It's delicious. And hopefully you'll try it. So.
That's not bad.